Hey friends, if the DHCP is not working on your computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you to the resolutions. So the most common reason behind DHCP not working is EPIPA, an EPIPA IP address which starts with 168. So the first approach towards the solution is to simply restart your computer, which is right click on the start button, select shutdown or sign out and then restart. If this does not work, then consider power cycling the modem, router and computer. And how do we do that? Switch off the modem, router and computer, all the three devices. Now switch on the modem only, not the router, not the computer, the modem only. And then wait for a while, then switch on the router. Wait for a while till all the lights are stable and then finally switch on the computer. The next solution is to restart the DHCP service. Search for services in the Windows search bar and open services. Scroll down to the DHCP service. Okay. Right click on the DHCP client service and select restart. There are a lot of dependency services. You will have to click to yes to restart these services as well. The next solution is to update the network drivers. So search for device manager in the Windows search bar and open device manager. Now in device manager, you will have to expand the list of network adapter drivers. Right click on the first one and then select update drivers. Select search automatically for drivers. And the last one is obviously network reset. So right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the network and internet tab, select advanced network settings, select network reset and then finally click on reset now and then finally on yes to initiate the process. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.